So hello everyone, I'm back again with another video. So it is very short video that I'm going to talk about how to add the special reference information in the layout. So today, for example, if you have this map frame and if you want the special reference that you have used in this map, and you want to show this overall information in anywhere in the map layout, then you have to add special reference detail. For that, what you have to do is go, once you are in the layout page, so you will have to go to the insert, and once you are in the insert, on the right side you will find this new dynamic text. Okay, just click on down arrow and you will have lots of options to add many information. For example, there is also like scale, format that you want to use or whatever. Okay, for now today I'm just talking about the special reference. So you just click here, add the special reference, then it will ask for you like what are the information that you want to add. These all information will not be coming in the reference system. Whatever is the available will be coming. So but if you want to exclude some of the information that you don't want to show in the detail, then you can always tick off over here. Otherwise you can just leave it as it is, then click on OK. And once you click on OK, you can see the change in the mouse, right? Mouse arrow. So you just have to drag how much area you want to cover. Depending on the size of the text and content in the text, it will cover the area. So okay, see, now we have a lot of information over here. I cannot see in this background, so I'm just taking it somewhere over here. So okay, let me just zoom in. Okay, so this is the special reference that has been used in this map frame. See, the position system is like 1983 BC, environment albers. Okay, project recording system is this one. There's like datum has been used as like North American 1983 and so on, and so there are lots of information. See, if we drag more, okay, there is more information because we select a lot of information over there. That's why we are seeing a lot of information. Okay, so you can filter that whatever you want. You can always edit like what you want to use and what you don't want to use. Okay, so other things like if you don't want any information, you can always remove from here. And you can select like if you want to put that information in two column, then it will come like that. If you want to adjust like this, then see, it is adjusted in two column, right? Or even if you want to go like in three column, you can just increase the column, right, like that. So but you have to be careful like all the information is shown here or not. Okay, and if you are not happy with the size of the text, you can go and change this in the text symbol. And once you go there in the text symbol, you will have options to select the text style, and whether to use just regular or bold, or you can change the size of the text. If you want to make it smaller, you can make it smaller. Once you change there, you have to type click on apply, or you can just auto apply, and it will just make it comfortable, right? So yeah, this is how you can work with this. And if you want to change the color, then you can do that. Okay, sorry, that's the fill color. So if you want to change the color of the text, okay, so it's red now, right? So this is how you can change this is how you can just add I mean what special reference in your map. So yeah, that's all for today, and thank you so much for watching. I'll be coming up with few more videos on this layout preparation. And yeah, keep watching and keep subscribe.